Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to unbox the Casio Edifice watch, model EFR 526D 2AVU EF. Let's get started. The Casio Edifice EFR 526D stands out as a testament to the brand's commitment to blending sophistication with cutting-edge technology. Designed for the modern man who values both style and functionality, this timepiece embodies elegance and precision. At first glance, the EFR 526D captivates with its sleek and contemporary design. The stainless steel case and bracelet exude durability and refinement, making it suitable for any occasion, whether it's a formal business meeting or a casual outing with friends. However, the true beauty of this model lies in its functionality. Equipped with advanced features, this timepiece is more than just a stylish accessory, it's a reliable companion for the modern man on the go. The watch boasts a chronograph function, allowing users to accurately measure elapsed time with precision. A simple mechanism for opening and closing the watch bracelet. The adjustable bracelet ensures a perfect fit for any wrist size, while the deployment clasp offers security and ease of use. Water resistance up to 100 meters provides peace of mind, allowing wearers to confidently wear the watch during everyday activities, including swimming and showering. Furthermore, the EFR 526D features a date display, ensuring users always stay organized and punctual. With just a glance at their wrist, wearers can effortlessly keep track of both the date and time, eliminating the need for separate devices or smartphone apps. In addition to its practical features, the EFR 526D also prioritizes comfort and convenience. As with all Casio Edifice timepieces, the EFR 526D incorporates innovative technology to deliver unparalleled performance. The quartz movement ensures accurate timekeeping, while the scratch-resistant mineral crystal protects the dial from scratches and impacts, maintaining its pristine appearance for years to come. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. A luminous coating provides long-term illumination in the dark after only a short exposure to light. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.